skid steer today. Here you go. So after 2 months, guys, finally the 331 finally came in. We went ahead and got the mulcher as well, which I believe it's a diamond cutter or something like that. What does it say on the front? Diamond mower brand, which is kind of like the best of the best. So let's get this bad boy loaded up. So sad day. We actually had a leak on the tractor when they were inspecting it, so we have to leave it here another day so they can fix the coupler.
That wasn't even my fuck up.
I know, we weren't even on the tractor, which is kind of bullshit, but worse than a heartbreak.
So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna get this pallet, we're gonna put it on here, we're gonna get the forks and get the bucket. It's a little trailer, but we'll make it work. Oh yeah, so funny thing is, right, we're like, hey, it's gonna cost this much, so we need another additional $5 grand. I'm like, all right, well, whatever. And like, we get here, I'm like, hey, we have one problem, so what is it? There's something wrong with the tractor. No, it's damn auger, dude. Somebody literally picked up an auger and took off with the auger. Hey, by the way, you can steal something from John Deere. Didn't know that. Big industrial thing, we're gonna use a little strap. That's fine, right? What? Who? I don't know what the fuck he said. What? Sometimes you just gotta guess. It's not like really, you know what the hell they're talking about. You just guess. Didn't need this, but we did need it, so we just ended up getting it. Now we got this, I guess. Well, I think we're actually taking a T-post driver too. Look, that should be ours too. They stowed our bit. Now they're going to San Antonio tomorrow. Get a bit. We've been trying to work, so we got work tomorrow. Shit show, you know. People don't know that whenever you back it up, when you back this up, it's back heavy. The back ass end is heavy. So
So you gotta go backwards.
Okay. The back end is heavy, right? So whenever you unloaded it, a lot of people have a problem with rocking. Come on, keep on coming back. And to eliminate that, you back it up. Up! You back it up, and that way whenever you unload, you don't have to have a rock. You don't tip over and stuff. You don't mess up a $130,000 machine. My heart's beating so fast. I've always dreamed of this, you know. It's so awesome. Oh my gosh. No? Hey, anybody want a trailer? We're selling this trailer either. What do you want for it? Yeah, like 58 if you have
58, 6,000.
6,000? Those qualify for 58. Fuck, you don't want less. We put a lot of time into it. We just had it for what, 4 days, 5 days? So we just bought this, right? Now we're gonna put it to test, see what it does. back way goes this way. Hard to tell. Yeah.
So we've been playing around with it. It's new, so we're just kind of getting the feel of it. This isn't actually a job site. It's just a buddy's place. He let us destroy. So John's playing around in it right now. We'll get the hang of it, hopefully, and we'll get it out to a job site and another video on it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Like and subscribe.